So welcome back to a new video. This is another unboxing. Like my normal unboxings, this one's going to be quick and to the point. So I stumbled across this. A lot of people have been talking about it. I'm going to use it as a travel router. For those of you that don't know what a travel router is, it's pretty much a way for the family and myself to connect to, say, hotel Wi-Fi or cruise Wi-Fi, and just have one device connect to it and then rebroadcast that to everybody else. Because I'm the IT person for the family, and it's just easier to have everyone connect to this once. And when you got kids, you know that Wi-Fi is crucial, especially consistent and good Wi-Fi. So what we have here is from a company, GL.iNet. Hope I'm pronouncing that correct. This is the GL-AXT1800, also known as the Slate AX. It's a Wi-Fi 6 gigabit wireless router, from which standard box. The specs on this is it's rocking a IPQ 6000 quad-core CPU, about 1.2 gigahertz. It's got about, or it has 512 megabytes of DDR3L memory and 128 megabytes of NAND flash. It supports 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. There's no built-in cellular, but you can connect that through the USB port if you want to set up sort of like a MiFi. It also has one WAN port and two LAN ports. Ethernet is capped at 1 gig, which you don't really need more than that if this is going to be a travel router. It does power off of USB-C, which is really interesting. That means I could use a battery bank on this, and as we're walking around, connected to that and still have Wi-Fi to all the devices, as long as it's got actual internet on the other end. Power consumption is a little bit less than 9 watts, and that's about all that I know about it. So let's jump into the unboxing. So, standard slide off. Open it up, we've got registration. Let's get started guide. The router itself, not a bad design. Two flip-up antennas. Here are the ports on the back. Not sure if you can see that really well. You've got power by USB-C, USB 3.0, LAN 1, LAN 2, and a WAN. Also in the box, Ethernet cable. You get a USB-C power brick. I'm going to bring this with us on a trip, but I'm probably going to just connect it to a battery bank, so I don't have to worry about the wall wart. And you've got adapters, actually just a single one that slides onto here so you can plug it in. It snaps right in. And that's pretty much it. I know that it runs WRT, so that's probably where I'm going to start with in order to get this configured. I haven't chosen a name yet for the Wi-Fi. Anyone have anything clever, put it in the comments below. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching.